Good morning. Another beautiful sunrise this morning. It's actually kind of cool morning this morning. That's nice. I'm looking forward to some cooler weather, that's for sure. Give you a little update on my tomatoes. The plants aren't looking very good. I don't know. Of course, we were gone. We had a lady come and water, and so, hey, there's another new little tomato. This one, I'm going to pick this one because we're leaving tomorrow. Oh, there's a spider. We'll get that up there. Little tomato there. Oh, got some flowers happening on the jalapenos. Flower. There's another little flower. Still got the 3 jalapenos on here. I may pick these 2 just to take with us. And this one, God, the leaves look horrible down there, but little tomato there. There. Thought I saw another one. Oh, right here. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah. Oh. Nice morning. Gonna water. Should eat this. I've got a couple still in my refrigerator. I need to eat those first. All right, let's water. What are you eating? Need more water. Good afternoon. Yeah, it's after 1 o'clock, and I'm at Deborah's again today. Pretty much we have to keep watch of Bandit 24/7 because sometimes he gets up and he kind of starts walking, and we just don't want him to fall off the bed or try to jump off the bed. He has those stitches, so we have to really just watch him and protect his stomach area and his stitches and things like that. Let me show you. He's sleeping. Yeah. So we went to the vet yesterday for a follow-up. When we left Midland, the doctors there said to get an appointment with our veterinarian and have him I guess get with our vet, because now they're going to be the ones that will be taking care of him from here. So they did a whole blood workup and x-rays, and his blood, she said, looked pretty good considering his surgery. And I don't know anything about the blood works, all that stuff, if this is up, if that's down. But she was like, oh, this one's down a little bit, but that's okay because we expect that with the surgery. And then, this one's good. No more pancreatitis. I understood that. So everything looked good. In not 100%, but everything is looking good on that. but the x-ray did show that he had some fluid on his lungs. So that is concern. Not that the other was not a concern, but the vet did say he's still not out of the woods, but got him on another antibiotic for his lungs, and just got to, got to get the medicine through him, and all the medicine that both Midland has given him, and then this new antibiotic from our vet here. He just needs time. He needs time to heal. He had a major surgery, and now he has this little lung issue. But, we can... Hi, buddy. Yeah. We can... just give him all the love and care that we have, and we got a whole lot of that. We got a whole lot of love and care to give this boy. Yeah, we do. Just feeding him, and he's still eating from a syringe, and we're getting food in him, nutrition, electrolytes, water. He's loving the water and the electrolytes, and just... we are following doctor's orders. I know everybody has an opinion about this or that. And I appreciate all your comments. And by the way, I do read everybody's comments. I don't like to do a lot of things on my phone and commenting. I like to do it on my computer, and I've just had my phone over here. And I've been doing my videos the last few days just from my phone, which is... I don't like that either, but anyway. So I'm going to get off here and go love on the boy some more.